This video is about the Imilab KW66 smartwatch. If you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into the video. The packaging looks simple with an image of the smartwatch and some highlighting features of it, such as the 30-day battery life, 13 sports modes, IP68 waterproof and heart rate monitors. On the rear side of the packaging, a QR code is printed to download the GloryFit application that works with this smartwatch. Moving into the packaging, KW66 is in place in its holder. Diving further into the packaging, an extra strap is provided. I like the color of the additional strap, and when you are setting different watch faces, the straps pair with those well. Furthermore, a magnetic charging cable is provided. I'll do a demonstration on the charging process of the KW66 smartwatch in this video. Finally, you get an instruction manual in 7 languages since this model is a global version. Alright, the unboxing is over. Moving to the Imilab KW66 smartwatch, the sticker representing the working display will impress you that the KW66 has thin bezels. Don't fall into this trap. It has thick bezels unlike displayed on the packaging. Talking about the display, it has a 1.3-inch TFT 240x240 screen resolution. It has a premium look due to its glossy finish, unlike the cheap smartwatches available in this price range. The only drawback about this smartwatch is its display bezels. If you're okay with it, great. If you're not okay with it, you may have to skip this one. They have done a good job in providing an additional strap in a good color. This is one of the reasons that I like this smartwatch. This is good value for money. It's silicone rubber and is also focused on durability. Overall, I appreciate the smartwatch and the build quality except for the screen bezels. What do you think? Can we complain about the bezels based on value for money? Let me know in the comment section down below. Furthermore, the straps can be changed easily by releasing the locks on the straps. One of the smartwatch's highlighting feature is its display activation when you raise your hand. Moving to the functions of this smartwatch, you can turn it on by pressing the power button for about 3 seconds and the Imilab logo will be displayed. Once it is turned on, you can swipe to the top, bottom, left and right from the watch face to access various functions. If you swipe to the left, you can view the status interface, displaying information on your number of steps, distance traveled and calories burned. If you swipe left further, you can access your heart rate monitor. It's currently trying to read my heart rate since my finger is on the heart rate sensor. Furthermore, you can see my heart rate data for the current day. By swiping to the left, you can view the details of your sleep time. It tracks your sleep from 6 PM on the current day to the 11:59 AM on the next day, and then it resets. Swiping top to bottom from the watch face, you can access the control panel. You can find your smartphone by tapping on the magnifying glass, adjusting brightness on 4 levels, turn on do not disturb mode and access settings. Moving to the watch faces, once it's synced with the GloryFit application, you can set various watch faces. I noticed the weather, heart rate sensor, step count and calories burned are updating in real time. I have experience with smartwatches that just don't update information in the watch face except for the time, but this one passed it. Guys, if you purchase this smartwatch, make sure you update the firmware of this device so you get improved experience with it. It can be done from the GloryFit application. I'll do a demonstration of it during the latter part of this video. You can swipe bottom to top to access the notification. You can easily tap on specific notification to read it better. However, there's a problem with in-depth notification display. The notification is only displayed 50% of the display. I guess it can be fixed with a firmware upgrade. You can swipe right to left to dismiss specific notifications easily. When you swipe from left to right, you can access the main menu. Here you can access training, heart rate, stopwatch and so on. The KW66 smartwatch is smooth 98% of the time. In the settings menu, you can turn this device off, reset, view device information or scan the QR code to download the GloryFit application. Moving to the watch faces, there are around 5 default watch faces in the smartwatch. However, by connecting to the GloryFit application, you can set more than 50 watch faces. It is updated almost daily. I love this feature. Additionally, you can set custom watch faces. In the training interface, various activities are available such as cycling, football, walking, running and so on. Moving to the charging process, you can see the charging pins along with the magnets. Therefore, just bringing it close enough to the charging pins and the magnets holds up the smartwatch well. You can see the charging status on the display while it's being charged. It will be fully charged in around 3.5 hours. To install the GloryFit application, scan the QR code on your smartphone and get into the link. Since I'm using an Android device, I'm choosing Google Play. If you are an iOS user, choose App Store. Currently, I've already installed the application. You can see your real-time heart rate from the application home screen along with various other details. The device section is my favorite section in the application. You can access the dial settings and view a collection of watch faces updating daily. This is a demonstration of setting a custom watch face. It will take about 5 seconds to download and syncing time is around a minute. I'll skip the syncing part in this video. So this is how it looks once it's synced. Once you downloaded a watch face, it will be saved in My Dial section. You can remove the dials that you don't need. In the final section, you can find the custom dial section. You can choose an image from your gallery or take a picture from your camera. I'll choose a picture from the gallery for now and sync it with the KW66 smartwatch. You can choose various colors for the fonts on the KW66 smartwatch. It's well designed considering the watch face. Moving back to My Device section, you can turn on and off 24-hour heart rate monitoring, call reminder with specific customization for it, turn on and off SMS reminder, in-app reminder. You can turn on and off a notification for a specific application on your smartphone. I've disabled unwanted application and you can add new applications which are not on the provided list easily. The sedentary reminder reminds you to have a walk if you do not walk and be in one place. I turned this off due to the reason that is when I went to bed it vibrated and disturbed my sleep. However, it didn't happen after 6 PM. I didn't test it after 6 PM due to time constraints. I'll update it in the comment section down below. You can set smart alarm clocks with better customization compared to other Chinese smartwatch applications. You can set timings for do not disturb to automatically turn on and off or completely turn it off. I appreciate this bunch of customization options from this application. You can shake your KW66 smartwatch to take photos. However, it only works when you get into the shake to take picture option. You can set the screen on time from 5 to 15 seconds. My personal preference is 5 seconds. You can even change the time system of the KW66 smartwatch from 12-hour system to a 24-hour system. The device language can be changed to any language provided in the GloryFit application. You can update the KW66 smartwatch firmware from firmware upgrade settings. I've already upgraded mine. Moving to the Me section of the application, you can set your training plan for the week. You can choose the training days, training times and additional reminders for training and view your schedule. You can set daily target steps per day according to your schedule. The application even provides weekly health reports based on your data along with additional description of your performance and data. Moving to the sport section of the application, you can choose the sport mode by swiping to the left or you can add your required sport mode and customize the motion settings. Heart rate data and heart rate range data are provided. Therefore, you can have a better understanding of your heart rate according to the range. You can access the weather information by tapping on the weather icon and see the forecast for the following days. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. See you guys next time.